Welcome to Salud and Lifestyle Channel. Welcome to Salud and Lifestyle Channel.
The sky's the limit when it comes to smoothie combinations you can whip up in your blender. You don't always need to follow a recipe, but if you're not careful, even green smoothies packed with things like kale or bananas can easily turn into sugar and calorie bombs. So we've done the calculations for you to get a super healthy, delicious green smoothie every time. Liquid, 1/2 cup. Pictured recipe, mango coconut green smoothie. You'll need some liquid to get everything whirring in your blender, but choose wisely. Skip juices, they're high in sugar, even when they're 100% fruit juice. Try these: unsweetened almond milk, or other unsweetened non-dairy milks, soy, rice, hemp, low-fat milk, coconut water too. Frozen banana, 1 cup. Pictured recipe, pineapple green smoothie for natural sweetness and always rich, creamy, not icy, body. Frozen banana slices are a must. Another bonus, bananas are a relatively inexpensive fruit. Three, frozen fruit, 1/2 cup. Frozen fruit makes a frosty smoothie without added ice. Some blenders can't handle ice cubes. Buy already frozen fruit or freeze your own. Try these: blueberries, cherries, strawberries, pineapple, mango, apples, raspberries, blackberries, grapes. 4. Protein slows the digestion of carbs, keeping you full longer. Try these: Nonfat or low-fat plain Greek yogurt, Nonfat or low-fat cottage cheese, Silken tofu. 5. Greens, 1 cup. Add 1 cup of greens to help meet your daily veggie quota without overpowering your smoothie. Try these: baby spinach, kale, stemmed and chopped. 6. Health boost, 1 tablespoon. Throw in chia seeds or flax seeds for a boost of omega-3s and fiber. Or add nut butters for healthy fats and a little more protein. Try these: chia seed, flaxseed, hemp seed, peanut butter, almond butter related. Health benefits of flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seed. 7. Optional sweetener, up to 2 Tbsp. Have a sweet tooth? Add up to 2 Tbsp. Liquid sweetener like maple syrup or agave. Watch how to make a pineapple green smoothie related 5-minute healthy smoothie recipes. 6 ingredients for super healthy smoothies. All the healthy smoothie recipes you need. 3 ingredient Smoothie Freezer Packs to make mornings easier.